Tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access the web-based version of Microsoft 365. If you are subscribing to the subscription for Microsoft Office 365, what you'll notice is that there's a desktop version of Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams, and then there's also a web-based version of it as well. The benefit of the web-based version is that just in case if the desktop apps are not working correctly, you can still access the apps from the web. But the expectation that I'd like to set is that the web-based version does not have all the bells and whistles of the desktop version. So if you are trying to do something and it's not working, well, that's why. So now let's go ahead and begin this tutorial, and I will show you how to access the web-based version of Office 365. So step one would be to launch your web browser. For today's tutorial, I'll be using Chrome. So now, the next step would be to go to www.office.com. Then, you will need to enter your email address. In my case, I've already entered it, so I don't have to do it again. Now I just have to enter my password. And there you go. So this is the web-based version of Microsoft Office 365 that my university is providing for me. Now, if you have your own non-university Office 365 that you're subscribing to, you can do the same exact thing. The process has not changed. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Have a wonderful day.